7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. I'm walking through the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. Love you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Help! Kentucky rain's pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking through, with rain in my shoe,
rain in my shoe,
searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Hey, cold Kentucky rain. Help! Showed your photograph to some old gray pretty folks sitting on a bench outside general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold dark afternoon? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Help! Kentucky rain is pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoe,
rain in my shoe,
searching for you, yeah. Cold Kentucky rain, oh yeah. Cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain, oh yeah. Cold Kentucky. Thank you. One more time for the Blue Suede Band.